2023 Ducati Monster SP First Look Tradition for the Bologna-based brand. The Monster family welcomes a new member in the coming model year, with the range-topping 2023 Ducati Monster SP, which also includes the standard Monster and Monster Plus models. As is tradition for the Bologna-based brand, models bearing the coveted SP designation are loaded to the hilt with top-tier performance components, and the 2023 Monster SP doesn't disappoint. The sportiest member of the 937cc Testastretta engine-powered Monster lineup has plenty of new features. To that end, highlights include premium fully adjustable Öhlins suspension, upgraded Brembo brakes, a Termignoni slip-on exhaust, revised riding modes, and a lower curb weight. Now, let's get into the fast facts. Fully adjustable Öhlins suspension pushes the sporting narrative. Ducati has bestowed its Monster SP with gilded Öhlins Nix 30 fork and STX 36 Supersport shock to provide a firmer setup for improved chassis feel in a wide variety of road and track conditions, along with increased travel for more cornering clearance. The Öhlins also tuck in the rake a degree to an aggressive 23 degrees, and trail shrinks 0.3 inches to 3.4 inches. To manage the more aggressive geometry, a steering damper is added to the mix. The 2023 Ducati Monster SP is taller than its siblings. The longer travel suspension hikes up the seat height, and the new seat has thicker foam. The result is a 0.8-inch saddle height increase to 33.1 inches. There are two accessory seats, one that raises the seat height to 33.5 inches and another that drops it to 31.9 inches. Brembo-style calipers and lighter rotor flanges bump up performance. To help slow things down in a hurry, Ducati is leaning on some of the best production components available via 4-piston monoblock Brembo-style calipers and lightweight aluminum rotor flanges on its 320mm discs. Together, the SP's braking system saves 1.1 pounds compared to what's seen on other Monsters. This should increase agility by reducing unsprung weight and inertia. Termignoni gives more bark to the 937cc Testastretta L twin engines bite. Italian exhaust manufacturer Termignoni and Ducati have quite a bit of history together, and it's tough to argue a more iconic duo. The SP features a homologate slip-on muffler that enhances the Monster's soulful tone. According to the spec sheet, Ducati is claiming the same punchy 111 horsepower at 9,500 revolutions per minute and 69 feet-lbs of torque at 6,500 revolutions per minute out of its lively twin-cylinder power plant as other Monster models. Curb weight is reduced to 410 pounds. Ducati shaved off 4.4 pounds compared to the standard Monster, thanks to the lighter fork, 1.3 pounds, braking hardware, muffler, and a lithium-ion battery.